Introducing the Verefa L11 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge solution for hands-free, efficient cleaning. With its innovative features, including a full auto-empty charging base and precise litter navigation, this vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning coverage with minimal effort. Boasting a powerful 3,000 pascals suction, it effortlessly tackles pet hair, dirt, and dust on various floor surfaces. Its extended battery life of up to 270 minutes and smart connectivity options, such as app control and voice commands, elevate the cleaning experience. Join us as we delve into the remarkable capabilities of this vacuum cleaner, setting new standards in automated home cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Hands-free cleaning efficiency. This vacuum cleaner offers an impressive 70 days of hands-free cleaning with its full auto-empty charging base. This feature, coupled with a 4 liters large-capacity dust bag, ensures extended cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent emptying. The dust bag replacement requirement of once every 10 weeks adds to the convenience, making it an ideal choice for those leading busy lives or who prefer minimal maintenance. Number 2. Advanced navigation and cleaning precision. Equipped with intelligent lidar navigation, this vacuum cleaner guarantees comprehensive cleaning coverage. Its ability to accurately map the home, detect obstacles, and plan efficient cleaning paths ensures no area is left untouched. The zigzag cleaning pattern further enhances its effectiveness by minimizing missed spots and maximizing cleaning efficiency. Users can also set up no-go zones, providing customizable cleaning options tailored to specific needs. Number 3. Powerful cleaning performance. With a robust suction power of 3,000 pascals, this vacuum cleaner excels in removing pet hair, dirt, and dust from various floor types. Its 4-level power adjustment capability caters to diverse cleaning requirements, while the integrated roller brush system ensures thorough cleaning, even in crevices. The Auto Boost technology automatically adjusts suction power when transitioning to carpets, making it versatile for different floor surfaces. Number 4. Extended battery life and runtime. Featuring a large capacity 5,000 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner delivers an impressive runtime of up to 270 minutes on a single charge, covering an area of 2152 seft. The auto-return feature ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions by automatically docking and recharging when the battery runs low. Additionally, this vacuum cleaner resumes cleaning from where it left off, ensuring complete coverage without manual intervention. Number 5. Smart connectivity options. This vacuum cleaner offers seamless connectivity options via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing users to control and monitor cleaning activities remotely through the Verefa Life app. Real-time cleaning route maps, scheduling options, and personalized settings enhance user experience and convenience. Moreover, compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant enables hands-free control, adding to its user-friendly features. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.5 inches length by 13.5 inches width by 3.8 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Verefa L11 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a versatile and efficient cleaning companion. Its advanced features, including auto-emptying capabilities, precise navigation, and powerful suction, ensure thorough cleaning results with minimal user intervention. With extended battery life and seamless connectivity options, such as app control and voice commands, it offers unmatched convenience and ease of use. Whether navigating through busy schedules or maintaining a tidy home effortlessly, this vacuum cleaner exemplifies excellence in automated cleaning technology. Embrace the future of home cleaning with this vacuum cleaner, where innovation meets convenience for a cleaner, healthier living environment. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.